Okay, so we're looking at the DR Stump Grinder, and this is the Premier model. And you might notice there's a little bit of red on top of that orange. Well, this is a custom-made tow adapter that we've installed. And you can buy this. You can buy one of these from DR themselves for like 130, 140 bucks. But with all the scrap material that my brother had at his shop, he went ahead and built one for free. And basically it's just a 2-inch square tubing that we've used. Got our adapter on the end there for a ball. And again, just some steel plate on top, obviously to make a template. But the way this one works is basically using some pins so that it's quickly removable. And I'll just go ahead and get this on there if I can. I'm not going to lock it into place, just for demonstration purposes here. There it is. And I don't know if, let me get back behind the camera and see if it's in frame here. Okay, so it is. So basically we've got 2 pins that go in, so it's quick attach. And we've got about a 32 to 36 inch long 2x2. And this will allow me to tow it by the tractor. And so it'll come up just a hair to make sure that these teeth aren't dragging on the ground. We went with heavy duty steel because that's what was available at the shop, but you can probably fashion this out of some solid aluminum or maybe even some smaller gauge steel. Basically it's cutting, drilling. For the end here he did some tack welds, but other than that it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I don't have time to demonstrate it now because the tractor's not hooked up for towing and the weather's not very nice outside, so I will definitely have to come back and revisit this once we get this in use. But just for examples, this is something that you can do. And keep in mind, this stump grinder weighs over 100 pounds, so if you're coming up some slopes, it's definitely hard to return once you've been using this thing for a few hours. Your arms are like jello. So having the towing ability definitely is going to make it worthwhile and a lot faster. So hope you like it. If you have any questions, let me know. All right, on to the next.